Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Path of Exile 2 with a controller. First, ensure your controller, whether it's an Xbox, PlayStation, or other compatible device, is properly connected to your computer before you even launch the game. Once in Path of Exile 2, head straight to the Options menu. You'll find a dedicated section for controller settings where you can activate controller support and fine-tune various aspects like camera sensitivity and vibration feedback. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to your adventure. Path of Exile 2's controller layout is designed for intuitive combat. You can map up to 8 active skills, including your main attacks and utility spells, to the face buttons and shoulder triggers. Movement is handled by the left analog stick, while the right stick controls your camera, allowing for fluid exploration. The game offers both automatic enemy targeting and a manual lock-on option, giving you flexibility in how you engage foes. Experiment with different skill placements to find what feels most comfortable for your playstyle. Navigating Path of Exile 2's extensive menus with a controller is surprisingly streamlined. The D-pad and specific menu buttons allow you to quickly open your inventory, passive skill tree, and quest log. Once inside a menu, the analog sticks become your cursor, letting you highlight and select items or options with precision. There are also convenient shortcuts for managing your stash and interacting with vendors, making item management much faster. You'll be swapping gear and allocating points in no time. For advanced controller play, remember to effectively use your flask buttons, typically mapped to the D-pad, for immediate health and mana recovery during intense encounters. Consider adjusting the user interface scaling in the settings to ensure all information is clearly visible, especially if you're playing on a larger display. Mastering movement skills, like dashes or blinks, is crucial for dodging enemy attacks and maintaining optimal positioning. With a little practice, you'll be navigating Reclast and defeating formidable foes with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.